guys, so I got a new squeegee in the mail today, and I just kind of want to go ahead and take it out of the package here so that we can see what it looks like. Okay, so I cut this zip tie off here so that I could separate everything, and it looks like it's got a piece of cardboard around the entire squeegee part, but this actually has an extension on the handle, so everything will kind of go together. So let's kind of put it together and see what it looks like. Okay, so this mechanism on the head, actually you can push in and it will move the head sideways angled. This is a locking pin, so basically when you put it together, it will lock into place. It's hard to do it one-handed. So anyway, there we go. And then this here actually screws in, so it'll allow you, this part screws into this one, and then this will actually allow you to extend it further in order for you to have a long handle on it. So I actually want to go ahead and use it outside on the window because I actually want to wash my windows today around my house and see how this works. So when you push this button in, you can see how the head will turn there. Alrighty, let's get started. Okay, so I've decided I'm going to go ahead and show this to you on our front door. Our door is really, really dirty. You can see like there's a layer of filth on it. It's really, really nasty. I'm sure that's like bug guts and things like that. So just kind of keep those things in mind, all the little bug guts, because that's what I'm going to scrub off. Okie dokie. Alrighty, so taking the squeegee, not taking anything off, and I'm going to scrub. I think this would work really, really great on some extremely tall windows because of the handle that it has. Again, it will extend and then also decrease in length. So I think that's really, really awesome. So just doing a really, really good scrub here, and then I'm going to go ahead and use the squeegee and take it off. So yeah, this is very nice. This is actually going to make my job a lot easier when I'm scrubbing my windows around my house. What I'll do with that is I'll actually get the water hose and I'm going to rinse that off. So let me show you what this looks like. Okay, so this is when it's been cleaned. So there's no more guts. They're gone. Okay. Very, very nice. It didn't leave any streaks or anything like that. I will take a water hose. I'm going to actually scrub the remainder of this door, and I'm going to take the water hose and just rinse all that off because I'm not worried about the outside of the door being squeeged. I just want this part. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will tell you that I think this thing is phenomenal. Makes my job a lot easier, that's for sure.